It sounds crazy to think you don't need a website to build a list. In fact, if you look at a lot of our videos on this channel, we teach how to get people to your landing page to build your list. But what if you don't have a landing page or website, or you don't have the time to set one up, or you just don't want to? I totally get it, and you don't have to find the time, because you don't need a website to build a list with Facebook ads. Welcome to Lead Agent Pro, where we give out tips to help agents and brokers get more leads with their marketing. Today, we are going to talk about how you can start to get leads through Facebook ads today without needing a website. Now, of course, if we are running any form of marketing to get traffic that you buy or to get traffic that you earn, we still have to turn those into traffic that you own. So with or without a website, we always have to build our list. That is still our number one goal. And today we are going to show you how easy it is to get started building your list with Facebook ads without needing a website. Here at Lead Agent Pro, we specialize in running Facebook ads for real estate agents. So if you click the link below, we will give you the best Facebook ads to run for your real estate business. So why Facebook ads work for real estate? Facebook ads are a great way to build your real estate business without needing a website. You can target the exact audience you want and show them your listings. You can show them properties for sale or open houses you have coming up. Facebook ads are a great way to get more leads, and they work especially well for real estate. Why? Because they're so targeted. If your target audience is people who live in a certain zip code, or who have listed properties in a particular neighborhood, or who have bought houses with pools in the past year, Facebook will help you find them. Facebook ads are easy to set up and track your results. As a real estate agent, you don't have time to waste on complicated tools or multiple platforms. You need a reliable way to reach potential clients quickly, easily, and without having to spend hours sifting through your analytics. And since Facebook knows so much about these people, like who they are, where they live, what their interests are, it can serve up ads that will get their attention and make them want to click through. Facebook ads can be targeted specifically to your audience. When you're selling real estate, it's important to know who you're selling to. If you know who your audience is, then you can make sure that your ad matches up with them and their needs. But the question is, what type of Facebook ads should you be running? So what type of Facebook ads work great for real estate? It's hard to find a solution that works for every business. That's why we're going to look at some of the most effective types of Facebook ads that real estate agents can use to grow their list. So promoting a listing you have. Now this is a little misleading because it doesn't have to be one of your listings. It can be a listing in your office. The goal here is to take a listing that you know people will want and put it in front of as many people as possible. The reason why this works so well is you can get really targeted with the people that see it. You can show pictures of the listing right on the ad. People know what they are clicking to get more information about, and this makes the lead magnet really targeted to what they want. Your lead magnet is the actual listing you're promoting. Then there's promoting a popular area for buyers. This ad is probably our favorite because you can run this ad today without a listing and without an open house. We all have areas that are most desirable, and you as a real estate agent know those areas the best. So now is the time to promote them. The goal of this ad is to gain interest for buyers in specific areas. You can target specific areas like country clubs or gated communities. It could be as simple as promoting homes with a pool, homes for first-time home buyers, or luxury listings. Really, the content is endless. But for whatever you decide to promote, the traffic will be really targeted. And because of that, the conversion for this type of ad in Facebook is really high. Then there's promoting an open house you have. Of course, this does not have to be one of your open houses. This can be an open house you know of that is coming up. One of the biggest keys to be successful with this ad in Facebook is you will have to run this ad at least a week before the open house date. Typically, you will want to give Facebook's algorithm about 4 or 5 days to learn the ad you are running and put it in front of the right targeted people to get the best traffic for it. The goal here is similar to running a listing lead. Take an open house that you know people will want and put it in front of as many people as possible. The reason why this works so well is you can get really targeted with the people that see it. You can show pictures of the open house right on the ad. People know what they are clicking to get more information about. And this makes the lead magnet really targeted to what they want. Your lead magnet is the actual open house you are promoting. Using these 3 types of ads on Facebook will bring tons of targeted leads to your front door. Now we just have to give them the information they want to start building our relationship with them. So now let's talk about using the Facebook lead form for real estate leads. If you're looking to build a list of real estate buyers, you need to be able to capture their information. And while there are several ways to do this, the most effective is using Facebook's lead form. The benefit of using this method is that it allows you to take advantage of the extensive reach that Facebook has. When you're offering information about a listing you have to promote, an open house coming up, or promoting popular areas for targeted traffic you want to get in front of, you want as many people as possible to know about it. And Facebook is one of the best ways to get them to see and click on your ads. But what if you don't have a website? You don't need a website to collect their information to deliver the information they want. Facebook's lead form lets users submit their full contact information, including their email address. So it's much more likely that they'll follow through with signing up to get the information you're offering. Using workflows to deliver their lead magnet through email and text. The best way to use Facebook ads to build your list is by using workflows. You can create a workflow that will send your lead magnet the free item they requested to their email address and phone number once they opt in. This works especially well when you don't have a website but still want to deliver your lead magnet in an automated fashion. And the best part is your workflow will get your new clients to your website if you have one. If they want more information about a listing, the URL you send them will show that listing on your website. If they want more information about an open house, the URL you send them will show that open house on your website. And if they request more information about listings in a specific area, that link you are sending them will take them directly to your website to view those listings. If you don't have a website, you don't need one to get them the information they want. You can easily use your broker's website for the information they requested, and a lot of times brokers will give you a free website to use. But by using the Facebook lead form, you eliminate the friction of the website getting in the way of capturing them as a lead. And through the workflow, you are still able to get them to your website for more information. Now you can use the website as a resource for them to use, and it is a tool for them to see more information. They can also get more information about you, and you are able to build credibility with your new potential client, all without relying on that website to capture that lead. Here at Lead Agent Pro, we help to set up the workflows for you, so what you are offering for free to your potential clients gets to them by text and email immediately. We also initiate a call in the first 5 minutes, so right after they receive a text from you, you can call them to see if you can help them get more information about what they want. Whether you use us here at Lead Agent Pro or if you already have this available to you, using workflows is the best way to connect your Facebook lead form as your delivery method for the free item they want. You can deliver it immediately through the easiest ways possible so they get what they want right away. And you can start your relationship with your potential client in a positive way. Now that you have the information for your potential clients, the fortune is in the follow-up. Once you have delivered on your promise of free information to your potential client, the goal from here is to build your relationship. First, we want to start off with our soap opera sequence of emails. If you aren't sure what those are, I created a video that will detail what each email will entail. With this sequence of emails, you are showing your clients you have earned or learned the knowledge to be their go-to person for real estate. Through your experiences, you have taken other people from where they are to where they want to be, and they need to hear how you started, how you learned to get to the destination they want, and why they should trust you are the person that can do that for them. After your soap opera emails, now we send Seinfeld emails. These emails moving forward are all about giving free content to your clients. Gary Vee, in his book Jab, 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 Hook, says to give 3 times for free for every 1 time you ask for them to do something. The point of it is to give way more than you ask for in return. Build your relationship with your new potential clients on a foundation of trust and reliability on your part. What can you give to them of value? If they signed up for a listing, if you see another listing that is similar, send them a link to that listing. If they signed up for an open house, if you see another open house that is similar, send them a link to that listing. If they want more information based on an area like a gated community or a country club, send them more information about it more than the listings. Send them popular things to do. Do they have HOAs or not have HOAs? Do they have different floor plans? Answer the questions you know they will want to know as the expert. If they want more information as a first-time home buyer, send them today's interest rates. You can send them a market report to show them the appreciation over the last 12 months in the areas that fit for first-time home buyers. And you can send them the best areas that offer the best value for them. If they are looking for luxury areas, send them the different taxes they should expect to pay. Send them ways to move an IRA or to 1031 their funds to buy the luxury property. Because you ran a Facebook ad for a targeted type of property, you now have a targeted list of people. So you can now send them more targeted information to help them move forward in their decision. You can send news articles, you can send videos, any information you can find for them. But be a resource to potential clients so when they are ready, you are their go-to person for real estate. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future videos as they come out. You can get the free step-by-step of how to set up the best Facebook ads to run for your real estate business by clicking the link below in the description. If you want more help to get it set up, you can see below in the description of this video we have courses that can help to set this up right away. In the courses you can follow along with what we are doing on video. This way you can literally watch, then pause to do the step, then watch and pause to do the next step. It makes it so much easier to watch over our shoulder to get everything set up. And if you want us to do this for you, you can book an appointment with us today, and one of our team members will show you how we can be your marketing team to do this for you. Our goal here at Lead Agent Pro is to bring useful marketing tips for real estate agents and brokers that can be implemented right away. See you in the next video.